How to get a void check in CIBC? Well, let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out on how you can do it. So in this article, it has given you all of the detailed information about the void check. If you scroll down, it has also provided you the information about the uses of the void checks. But let's see how you can get the void check. What you want to do is, you have to take one of your checks and write void across it in large letters using a pen or permanent marker. Make sure not to cover the numbers in the lower left of the check. This is the banking information that is required to set up the link to your account. But if you don't have your checkbook, then what you want to do is, you can use a form provided by CIBC that collects account information in place of a void check. And in order to use the form, what you want to do is, you have to download the payroll, direct deposit, or pre-authorized payment form. Fill out each field by typing in the requested information. And then save the form onto your computer. You will need to print a copy in order to sign the customer signature space. Submit the form to the company depositing the payment into your account or to the billing company. If you are sending the form by email, remember to scan your signed copy so that the electronic version contains your signature. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get a void check in CIBC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.